Fluency doesn't come from just learning, it comes from speaking. And in the next 4 minutes, you and I are going to train your brain to think and speak in English fast. Don't just listen, actually say the words out loud. Let's go. First, let's warm up. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Hey, how's it going? I've been pretty busy lately. That's awesome. Tell me more. I wasn't expecting that at all. No way. That's unbelievable. I totally get what you mean. Let's do it one more time, but a little faster. Hey, how's it going? I've been pretty busy lately. That's awesome. Tell me more. I wasn't expecting that at all. No way. That's unbelievable. I totally get what you mean. Great. Now let's train your brain to think in English. I'll ask a question and you answer in full sentences. No overthinking, just respond. What's the best thing that happened to you this week? What do you usually do on weekends? If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go? What's one thing you're really good at? Describe your favorite food in detail. Now let's practice real-life conversations. I'll say something and you respond naturally, like you're talking to a friend. Hey, I just watched an amazing movie. I'm starving. What should we eat? Let's go out this weekend. Are you in? I'm not sure about this decision. What do you think? That was hilarious. Did you see that? I need some advice. Can you help me out? Awesome. Now let's speed up. I'll say something fast and you repeat just as quickly. Let's do it. I can't believe it. Are you serious? That's amazing. I don't know, what do you think? Yeah, why not? Sounds fun. Let's go right now. What a great idea. I totally agree. Perfect. This is how you train your brain to speak fast, naturally, and without hesitation. Every time you practice like this, you're one step closer to fluency. Do this daily, and English will feel effortless. If you want more, keep practicing with me. See you in the next session.